Hey Diamond Painting friends, Jessica here to share week 3 of Summer with the Masters 2022. I am so thrilled with you guys' work on Summer with the Masters so far this year. I cannot even with some of the pictures I'm seeing. You have chosen such incredible artwork. You're doing such an amazing job with it. If you guys have not checked out hashtag Summer with the Masters 2022 over on Instagram, please go right now. Just go look right now. It's so amazing. The work is so amazing. Beautiful pieces are in process over there. I'm going to be sharing some of those really soon in my viewer galleries. So please keep sharing those images. Again, the hashtag is Summer with the Masters 2022. I'm just having a blast. We have a lot of business and a lot of fun to get to today. First off, let me tell you about everything you're seeing on the screen. So today my canvas is from Crafties. This is one of their paint by number Old Master selections actually that they created for me as a diamond painting. If you want to take a peek at that and do the same, all you have to do is email their customer service. The email is right there on the website. Both myself and Katie are affiliates for Crafties. The FTC tells me that I have to mention that every time I show a product that I received from them at no charge, so this one is no exception. Of course, I will put my affiliate information down in the description below along with Katie's. I'd be super thrilled if you would support Katie if you have the inclination to purchase something from Crafties, because that's not what this is about. I am really enjoying this canvas. I took it with me on my recent vacation and made no progress at all, but that's probably a good thing. If you're on vacation and you don't have time to diamond paint, that means you're living your life. It's probably a good thing. I'm hoping I can dive into it in a more dedicated fashion now that I'm back. You also see on the screen my pen called Koi from Butterfly Effect Wares. Butterfly Effect Wares is a sponsor for Summer with the Masters 2022. Huge thanks to them. This pen is in their large size, so if you head over there and you're looking at the different sizes of pens, that's an example of what their large size looks like. My tray is from Butterfly Resin Gems. I love this tray. I've been using it on all of my projects, both my Goodnight Story, my In the Forest of Arden, and this project, and I really am enjoying the weight of this tray. It's really comfortable to use, so I'll make sure we have all the sponsor information down in the description again. Please be sure to support these amazing companies. Alyssa's shop is on vacation mode just for a little while because of an unexpected medical procedure. Please keep checking back. Today, I am really struggling with the allergies. The allergies came on strong, they came on fast, they came on hard, and I sound like Ursula the Sea Witch today. I've been trying to do something about it, and it's just not getting any better. So it is what it is today if I'm a little froggy. Today for our video for Summer with the Masters, we're going to be talking about cool old Masters pieces from around the world. Now you guys know that as diamond painters, most often we focus on paintings or drawings because those things translate really well into diamond paintings. Obviously, if you're diamond painting an image, you need an image, but it's important to remember, I think, that not all old masters were painters. So today I want to highlight some amazing old masters that used a variety of media in their work, and many of these works influence artists that came later and art movements that came later. So I think it's going to be a really fun dive. Now, of course, this is a complicated topic for a number of reasons. I am not an expert in art or art history. I'm a hobbyist. I'm an art lover. I don't claim to be an expert. Many of the non-Eurocentric art pieces that we're going to be looking at today are examples of works that were looted or lost during the colonial era, and many of these works are now housed in North American art museums and European art museums, and although there are efforts underway to repatriate some of these pieces, that is a really big issue in the art world. Many of the pieces I'm going to show you today also have really important religious or other cultural significance that I'm going to do my best to respect. Now, because of the time constraints on a video like this, I am just going to show you the bare bones, tip of the iceberg highlights of some of my favorites from my museum website explorations. I hope you'll find them as beautiful as I do. And of course, there are a huge number of artists who aren't just painters, creating beautiful works of art today, Instagram is a fabulous place to find them. And while of course these aren't in the public domain, this can be a great way to really learn about these different types of art and to develop a greater appreciation for them. Today I'm going to start close to home for me because I'm currently sitting in diamond painting in North America, if you can't tell by my accent. So that's where we're going to start today. This first Old Masters piece is a beautiful beaded bandolier bag. I don't think the exact origin of this piece is known, but it dates from around 1870. And it was created in the Upper Great Lakes region. It's created from wool, cotton cloth, and glass beads. And this style of decoration on this bag, from my reading, I learned that this is something called the prairie style. There are as many types of art and as many motifs in this type of artwork as there are peoples who created it. So the range is vast, but of course, one of the most beautiful genres of Old Masters artwork from North America is this intricate beadwork. And this was created by women, so it has a little bit of a special place in my heart. I think this is absolutely incredible, and I cannot imagine the number of hours that went into creating something like this. The next piece I want to show you is called the Namgis Transformation Mask. This is believed to date from about 1910 in British Columbia. And when I was reading about this piece, one of the coolest parts to me was that this is actually mechanical. So there are strings inside the mask that the wearer could use to open like these 10 rays that surround the edges with a series of strings. And it was used during feast performances. How cool is this? This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, of course, I'm going to give this disclaimer with all of the things I talk about today. This is the smallest possible sampling of the incredible pottery, beadwork, rug making, weaving, totem creation, so many incredible styles of art in North America, so many amazing, largely unrecognized old masters. Now we're going to travel a little bit further south, down to South America. This is a piece that on the museum website is just called Finial with Bird Helmeted Figure. But this is a piece from Colombia, and it's believed to date from between 1000 and 1400, so it's very, very old. There are a huge range of artworks, of course, like every continent and every geographic area in South America, including monuments that can only be seen from the air, sculpture, metalworking, textile, painting, pottery, of course. And one that I found that I really would like to learn more about is called Huichol yarn painting. This is a genre of art from Mexico that I think it would be so much fun to dive into a little bit deeper. Now, of course, as the colonial era marched on in South America, there began to be some European influences on South American art. I'm going to show you two pieces from the Cusco School. The Cusco School was founded by Spanish missionaries who, of course, wanted to convert indigenous people to Christianity. This piece, called Our Lady of Cocharcas under the Baldachin, by an unknown Peruvian old master, dates to about 1765. And you can see that over time, these pieces started to take on their own unique attributes. They started to take on brighter colors, more distorted and dramatic facial features, and you can also see in many of them the use of native plants and animals. This one, called Virgin of Carmel, Saving Souls in Purgatory, is from the Circle of Diego Quispetito. Isn't this gorgeous? As with all the geographical areas that I dove into to make this video, there were just too many amazing, amazing works to count, and way too many to show you here today. So I hope this launches you off into your own art investigation. Now let's pause for a short message from our sponsors. You guys know what time it is. It's giveaway announcement time, aka my favorite part of the video, probably, because I like making people happy. It makes me happy. First up in our giveaway this week, from week 1, we have an Old Masters themed resin diamond painting tray donated by Butterfly Resin Gems. Alyssa has created a selection of Old Masters trays, and the winner will be Amy Schellenberg. Congratulations, Amy. You'll be receiving a resin tray from Alyssa. That should come directly from Butterfly Resin Gems, and the artwork for that tray will be selected at random. I know you're gonna love it. Congratulations. Our second giveaway prize was a PaddyWaxx prize pack featuring a couple of custom Old Masters themed scents, some special drills, some washi tape. It's gonna be amazing. The winner of the PaddyWaxx prize pack is Marla Morris. Congratulations, Marla. And last but not least, we have a canvas from Distracted by Diamonds called Meeting on the Turret Stairs. This will be shipped directly from Distracted by Diamonds. Thank you, Robin. And it will be going to Kimberly Giffen. Congratulations, Kimberly. Congratulations to all three of you. I will be confirming your details by email, so please make sure to check your email. Of course, for week 3, we have some more giveaways. Let me tell you what they're going to be. First off, we have a free canvas worth of drills from our friend Jade at Jaded Gem Shop. Thanks so much, Jade. This is a big prize, a big valuable prize, and Jade, we're so grateful that you offered it. So Jade provides a lot of drills for blank canvas projects or HAID projects. So this is an essential tool if you want to do a blank canvas or one of Heaven and Earth Design's crown jewel canvases. So huge thanks, Jade, for offering that prize. That's amazing. And second for today, we'll be offering a $25 gift card from our friend Rosa at Diamond Painting Shop. Thanks so much, Rosa. That's so nice. Rosa actually donated a number of these gift cards during the event, so keep your eyes out for those. In order to be eligible for our giveaway prizes, please make sure you read the official rules down in the description below as required by YouTube. Please make sure you're signed up on the Google form. I need to make sure your address information is complete. I need city, state or province, zip code, country. I need all of it, and if you reside outside the US, I also need your telephone number because international couriers coming from the US often require that information. So please make sure you filled that out completely. If you don't, I'll have to just delete your name because there's no way I can ship you anything. I also would like you to leave a comment down in the description below and let me know what your favorite type of art is that's not painting. So, do you love beadwork? Do you love pottery? Do you love sculpture? Do you love printmaking? I mean, it can be anything. Tell me any non-painting media of art that is absolutely your favorite outside of painting. What would it be? Please let me know by leaving that comment by the date indicated on the screen. I'll be drawing the winner on that date using a random comment picker. So make sure you get your comment in before that time. Thank you so much to the amazing sponsors that you see scrolling down your screen right now. These sponsors have made Summer with the Masters possible. They're an amazing part of our community. We're so grateful to them, both for the products that they've provided and for the shipping they've provided in many cases. So huge thanks. Congratulations to our winners today. Back to the video. Next up, we're going to journey to Africa, where we're going to take a peek at this Queen Mother pendant mask. This mask was created in the early 16th century. This mask is carved from ivory and uses elements of iron and copper. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think the photographs of this mask would actually be amazing to diamond paint because of just the beauty of the piece. The second piece I want to show you is a helmet mask created by the Mende people in Sierra Leone. This dates from the late 19th or early 20th century. Again, African art covers a huge spectrum of media. We have metalworking, sculpture, textiles, masks, pottery. There are so many beautiful Old Masters works of art that originate in Africa. And when I was putting this this video together, my daughter Sophia, who is studying art at college, said, you know, make sure that you mention that a lot of these works of art, when they portray people, do not portray people realistically, and they do this on purpose. This is not done because the artist could not represent a photographic representation of a person, but because what they were trying to portray is something beyond the physical realm, something that goes deeper than just imitating perfectly the facial features of a real human being. And that really made me think about these pieces even more deeply, because I started thinking about what the artist really wanted to say with the piece, and that just made it even more interesting. Last but not least, we're going to make a pit stop in Asia. Asian art, there are so many cultures, genres, countries, peoples. There is no way that we could dive into this in one video. So I decided today to show you a little sample of woodblock printing from Japan. This is one of my absolute favorite genres in all of Old Masters art. The colors are absolutely beautiful. This piece is by the famous artist Hiroshige. This is called The Moon Over a Waterfall. Hiroshige lived from 1797 to 1858. This piece with its beautiful design is called The Waterfall of Amida Behind the Kiso Road by Hokusai. Think the artist who did the Great Wave off Kanagawa, same artist. Hokusai lived from 1760 to 1849. And this one is actually one that Sophia owns a big poster of. And I love it. This is called Plum Park in Kamaido. Please forgive my pronunciation. The artist on this one again is Hiroshige. These are absolutely gorgeous pieces that would be amazing as diamond paintings. And these artists were so prolific. There are so many amazing examples of woodblock printing. Again, of course, Asia is a vast continent with incredible sculpture, architecture, painting, calligraphy. The list could go on and on. I hope this video today got you thinking about different types of art, different art media that is also considered Old Masters artwork. Not all Old Masters were painters. And I think this is a really, really important thing to remember. And it's really important if you're going to be an art lover and an appreciator of art to kind of loop in all the various forms of expression all the way up to the modern day. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you've really enjoyed taking this really, really shallow dive into some amazing Old Masters pieces from around the world. Please keep posting your progress on your Old Masters piece at #SummerWithTheMasters2022. If you're currently playing along with us, please make sure you've signed up on the Google form down in the description below. You can find all the sponsor information in the description as well, along with a link to Katie's channel so you don't miss out on any amazing content. If you are not sure if you want to join in Summer with the Masters, that's okay. It's not too late. You can join us anytime up to July 31st. We're going to have weekly videos between Katie and I over at Diamonds and Washi and here. And of course, we'll continue with those weekly giveaways all the way until the end of the event. I hope you guys have a marvelous, marvelous week. Thanks so much for hanging out today. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.